Hey everyone, today let's dive into the fascinating world of electronics with a focus on the Philips 95621554212 PCB card. Now, you might be wondering what makes this PCB card stand out in a sea of electronic components. This high-quality card is made in Holland, which raises an interesting question. Does the country of manufacture really impact the quality of electronics? We often hear about German engineering or Japanese precision, but what about Dutch innovation? With a part number like Aero 8000 6F821F43 and the intriguing SB165033538, this card promises precision and reliability. But here's a thought. How do we measure reliability in electronics? Is it just about performance, or is there more to it, like longevity and adaptability in different environments? As we explore trends in PCB design and manufacturing, what's your take? Are we moving towards more sustainable practices? Or is the race for higher performance overshadowing environmental concerns? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a conversation. Thank you!